How to create a Snapchat filter. Hey everyone, if you're trying to create a Snapchat filter, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have on your device and then simply search for Create Snapchat Filter. Now from here, what you're going to have to do is go to the link where it says create.snapchat.com, or you could tap on the first link that you see right here, Create Search Snaps Creators, Filters, and Lenses. Tap on it. And if this link does not lead you to the business website of Snapchat, then what you're going to have to do next is head over to the URL bar and then here simply search for create.snapchat.com. So just go ahead and search create. Once you've entered this URL, just hit enter and then you'll be taken to the official website for Snapchat. Now here on the businesshelp.snapchat.com, they have changed the URL to this. Tap on the three lines at the top left. And from here, you're just going to have to head over to Lens Studio. On this page, you'll be able to see your creativity powered by Lens Studio. So you can design your AR first developers platform, and you could also use generative AI to help you with the creation of your filters. Now here you can read through these articles to create your first filter on Snapchat. So as you can see here, you can build all of these with the help of Snapchat's support, and you could also connect with their community on Discord. And once you are done creating your filter, once you've downloaded Snapchat AR and created it, you could just go ahead and upload your filter, and once it's verified, it will be officially on Snapchat. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.